Hey guys, it's Christian from TechGen 2015 here, and you'll be seeing a lot more of me on my channel. The Moto 360 review was Jack. There's two people. I'm the co-founder of TechGen, and today we're going to be doing a £500 Great British Pound or $700 PC build. It's a budget build. Obviously, you're not going to get the most powerful. Next week, though, there will be, or next week or within the next 2 weeks, there's going to be a £1,000 or $1,200 PC build. So let's get right into the video. For the CPU, I chose a Core i5 6500K 3.2 GHz quad-core processor. It's a Skylake architecture. It's a great CPU for the money. It's 160 Great British Pounds and it's $200. As you can see, I have prices up on the screen. To accompany this, I have a decent motherboard. It's a pretty expensive motherboard, but we don't really need this as most of the things. It's an MSI B150A Gaming Pro ATX LGA 1151 motherboard. It's 92 Great British Pounds or 119 US dollars. It's a great motherboard for the price. You can't overclock on it. I'm sure you can't overclock on it. And yeah, that's about it. For the RAM, we chose G.Skill Ripjaws V DDR4. It's a 8GB kit. It's 2400 speed. It's 46 Great British Pounds, 69 US dollars. It's great RAM, really fast for DDR4. So let's see what we got for the hard drive. For the hard drive, we have a 1TB Hitachi Deskstar 3.5 inch 7200 RPM internal hard drive. It's 27 Great British Pounds and 41 US dollars. Very reliable drive, very reliable brand. We haven't got an SSD in the system, it's too expensive. Let's see what we got for the graphics card. The graphics card, we went with an EVGA GeForce GTX 750. We could have gone for the 750 Ti, but it was a bit more expensive. It would have gone over £500. It's £119.54 Great British Pounds and 181 US dollars. So this with our CPU is going to make a smooth gaming performance and fit inside our case. Our case is the Thermaltake Versa H24 ATX mid tower case. It's a case with all the basic necessities. Front USB 3. It doesn't have a Windows side panel, although one is available. It's 34 Great British Pounds and 52 US dollars. Our power supply is a bit underpowered. It's from a reputable brand. It's an EVGA 430 watt 80 plus, I think it's silver certified ATX power supply. It's more than enough to power our system. Our system only draws about 280 watts. Great power supply for the money. It's 29 Great British Pounds and I think it's 41 US dollars. So great power supply for the money. We did also, in the PC Power Picker link, we threw in a optical drive. You can remove it if you want. It's not needed. So yeah, link in the description to our Instagram. Subscribe, and comment, all that good stuff. My name has been Christian, and you've been watching TechGen 2015. Goodbye.